Good morning, students. Today you will be working on your next assignment. Today is, Tuesday, November 10th. I'm going to explain what you're going to be doing in case you missed it when I explained it in the classroom on Zoom. You're going to open your digital notebook, and when you go into your digital notebook, you should have finished slide 10 and 11 last night. If you did not, you can finish it today, and directions for these are in Google Classroom 007. Today's assignment 008 is for you to write a claim, evidence, and reasoning, CER. Directions are right here, and I believe there might be a voice recording for you guys also in your note that explains what you need to do. But basically, you're going to complete the written explanation on this slide by replacing the blank areas with your typed claim, evidence, and reasoning. So the question is, what is Biosphere 2? Biosphere 2 is a system. It's already given you the claim. Then you're going to now in the blue section provide the evidences for us. So everything that you did in slide 9, you're basically going to put it in form of a paragraph as a claim, evidence, and reasoning. So you would complete this section. Biosphere 2 has, and then remember what we talked about. What does it have? It has, the first evidence is parts, right? So on slide 12, you would say Biosphere 2 has, and then you type in parts, right? As observed, when, after the when, you are giving me examples of what they were. As observed when, we saw that it had, what are some examples we put in here? It had, these are the things you would write. It had biomes and different habitats, a lung, tubes, and machines. This is, of course, I'm using period 1 as an example. And the rest of you, if you're in my other periods, you're going to write down whatever it was that we discussed in your period in here. So that's all you're going to be doing here. You're going to be writing in your claim, evidence, and reasoning. And once you're done with that, you go to slide 13. And now we're talking about Earth as a whole system. Identify the characteristics of Earth as a system. What are some of the characteristics of Earth as a system? So you would write, it has parts. The Earth has parts. They are, and give some examples of that. Then talk about the Earth. What is another characteristic? Has a function. And then you give examples of what the Earth's function is. Now you're talking about the entire Earth. On the other slide, on slide 12, you talked about Biosphere 2, that man-made building. Now we're going to apply the concept of systems to the whole of Earth. And that is your assignment for today. And then we're going to go over the answers together.